one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There's something in you that has been waiting to breathe again. A gift, an idea, a dream that the Lord has placed within you. It's not because you want to prove yourself, but because there's something living inside of you. And the Lord says, create with me. Bring your thoughts and your ideas to life. For I am the Lord who created you, and I love when you create. Create with me that which is new and beautiful, that which the world has not seen before. For I am the Creator, and I am creating with and through you. Do not be afraid, but trust in me, and dare to dream. Dare to dream the dreams that I myself have placed upon you and within your heart. For I am leading you into that which is new, that which is fresh, that which is creative. I love you, and I delight in you. Let's create together. Let's make something new, something which the world has not seen before, something which speaks of my beauty, of my creativity. Do not be afraid, for I am with you, the Lord who gives you life, and the Lord who loves it when you are fully alive. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.